Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy tip on how to find messages in Gmail based on a specific date using the latest updates on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look for the search bar at the top of the page. To the left of this search bar, you'll see a filter icon that resembles a funnel. Click on that icon to access more advanced search options. This filter icon makes it easy to refine your search. Now you'll see several fields where you can customize your search. Look for the option labeled Date Within. Next to it, you'll find a calendar icon. Click on that calendar bar to choose the specific date you want to search for. This feature allows you to select a date range as well, so you can easily find messages from a particular day or period. Once you've selected your date, it's time to add any specific keywords related to the message you're looking for. Write your message in the Has the Words field. This could be anything from the subject line to key phrases within the email. Finally, after entering your desired date and keywords, tap the search button to retrieve your results. In just a few moments, Gmail will display all emails that match your criteria, making it easier than ever to find that important message from a specific date. And that's it. You're now equipped to efficiently locate messages in Gmail based on dates. Don't forget to like this video for more helpful tips and subscribe for the latest updates.